Okay, guys. It is literally coming down hard. It is.
And eat off your sleeve.
Yeah.
Yes.
It is like snowing in Las Vegas. I'm in my backyard, and look at me. Look at me. I'm in my backyard.
Hey guys, what's up?
It is so
It's your girl,
cool.
JoJo Siwa.
Oh my god. And we're probably going to have a snow day tomorrow. Guaranteed. That's what everybody's talking about on the news.
Look.
Look at you. Oh my god. It is just
I
wonderful.
can scrape it off her head.
We are having
Eat
so
it.
Don't, my jacket's dirty probably. Don't eat stuff off my jacket.
I don't care what you do.
Oh, right. It is super cold. This is my backyard. I am in Las Vegas. And oh my god. Look, it's finally starting to stick. See? It's starting to stick. It is just the most. Look at that. This is just the most amazing thing. I don't have to go anywhere. I'm sorry. I know all you people who live in snow probably thinks it sucks. But you know, when it doesn't snow in Vegas, I mean, it's just amazing. It's just so amazing. We're like in heaven. Yes. Okay. Now we are in the front yard. Look at it. They expect 1 to 2 inches. No, 1 to 3 inches. So tomorrow morning we will know. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Okay, I'm in my front yard. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at that. It's coming down. It's so amazing. So it's around 8:40. It's been snowing for, I would say, just about over an hour. Oh my god. And look, it's totally coming down. And look at Kristen. She's like building a snowman or something. But oh my god. This is just amazing. Just look at this. I mean, it's actually sticking to the ground. We'll find out tomorrow at 5 o'clock in the morning if they have school or not. If they have a snow day, it's awesome. I just hope that we have lots of snow in the morning. I doubt it. They say between 1 to 3 inches. So, but it's just so beautiful. I just don't want it to end. It's just, I just love it. I mean, yeah, I haven't seen snow in a while. Usually we have to go to the mountain, but this is just amazing. And I don't know, for some reason, just looking at it like brings me calm, brings me peace. Just it's just amazing. It truly is. I guess it happens every 10 years, they say. The last time when we moved back to Hawaii, we just missed it and it snowed. And I was so bummed. So it's been 10 years since it's full on, like the whole entire city is snowing. It's just amazing. Oh my god.
It's the best water known to man because he had nothing to do with it. Bottled at the source, untouched by man. It's Earth's finest water.
Good morning, guys. I just got up. Well, I got up an hour ago. Don't mind my hair. It is 6 o'clock. They said there is school today. I mean, but it could change at any time because it just started snowing again. And it's 33 degrees, but I mean, the roads are slick. You know, when I look at Twitter and Facebook, some people said they're keeping their kids home just to be safe, you know. I mean, I don't want to drive out in this weather. It's horrible. That's why I said I could never live in snow. I just, you know, I don't want to drive in snow. But anyway, I'm going to put my jacket on and go to the front yard. So this is the outside. It's very wet. But this is my bush in front of my house. It's just so cool. I mean, it's cool. I'm still hoping they cancel school because I don't know. So we still have time, about an hour and a half before we have to leave to school. Their school is like less than 10 minutes away. I don't know. It's very cold out here. It's 33 degrees, but it's beautiful. I love looking at snow. It's so beautiful. But I am going to go back in the house because it is freezing. It's very cold. And everybody is still sleeping. Oh my God. I couldn't even go to sleep. Like, I was so excited last night because of the snow. I couldn't even go to sleep till like after midnight. That's how excited I was. And then like clockwork, I woke up at 5 o'clock because that's when they said they would let us know if there's school or not. But we'll see, because in the report it says it would snow at 6 o'clock again, and some places are snowing much harder than over here. So yeah, it's not snowing too much anymore, but I'm watching the news and some places are snowing so hard. And like the freeways and roads are covered in snow. So yeah, some places are snowing harder, like right now. So this is not snowing, but you know, it's just really wet outside. I mean, I love the snow. I want it to continue to snow, but it's so pretty outside. Let me show you. Look at that. It's so pretty. There's my neighbor's tree. It's hanging over my yard, like hello. But look at that, the mountain. It is so, so pretty. I'm gonna bring that in and put it in a bag and put it in the freezer for Christmas. It's crazy. I'm just still watching the news, so I guess the kids probably will go to school today. So yeah, so I'll keep you all posted, but yeah, follow me on Instagram, Family Time 4K. I think it's Family Time 4Ks. Yeah, FAMILYTIME 4, the letter K and S. Family Time 4Ks. So we enjoyed having snow yesterday. It was brilliant. It was wonderful. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video.